This is your feeder and stock report for Tuesday, March 3rd. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In central and southern Alberta on Monday, steers 900 plus 456 to 473, 8 to 900 480 to 510, 7 to 800 535 to 574, 6 to 700 618 to 686, 5 to 600 731 to 765, $4 to $508 to $840. Heifers 8 to 900, 452 to 462, 7 to 800, 510 to 541, 6 to 700, 589 to 657, 5 to 600, 650 to 669, 4 to 500, 703 to 741, 3 to 400, 711 to 790. Yesterday on a light test of the market, younger bred cows in central Alberta traded from $5,750 per head to $7,000 per head. Alberta Direct Cattle Sales Monday saw no new trade report. This week's show list has been compiled with volumes larger than the previous week. Packer inquiries have already been noted. Based off the 3-year average, Alberta fed basis levels historically strengthened from February to March. With historically low cow slaughter volumes over the past year and strong margins for the cow-calf sector, herd rebuilding looks to be taking place. This was backed up by the January 1st cattle inventory report that was released the other day. Canadian beef cows on January 1st were reported at 3.4 million head, up 1.9% or 65,000 head compared to last year. Heifers kept back for breeding were up 4.8%. Growth was led by the West. Beef cows in BC and Saskatchewan were up 4%, 2.2%, and 1.5% respectively versus last year. In the cow trade in central Alberta Monday, D1 and 2 cows, 225 to 254. D3 cows, 212 to 220. Bulls in central Alberta yesterday brought 240 to 262. In the U.S., there is no new trade report, and significant trade will likely be delayed until the second half of this week. Asking prices are poorly defined, but are expected to start out around 248 on a live basis. 4-state show list volumes have been reported smaller. It has been a tough few days for the cattle complex, and many are also thinking cash prices will be lower again this week. Live cattle contracts have dropped $10 per hundredweight over the past 7 trading sessions, while feeder cattle contracts are down almost $20 per hundredweight. National bony cows average $313.93 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 72.89, down 35 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, a mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows. April 231.12, down 197. June 227.50, down 215. August 225.75, down 215. This is Dallas Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.